A fantastic technique to guard wood furniture against dings, stains, and water damage is to varnish it. Additionally, it helps restore the luster and newness of your furniture. Don't worry if you don't know how to varnish wood furniture, we can assist you. We'll demonstrate how to lacquer wood furniture expertly in this post. The entire procedure, from preparing the furniture to applying the varnish, will be demonstrated to you. We'll also provide you with some advice on how to achieve the greatest outcomes. So let's get started if you're prepared to learn how to varnish wood furniture. Essential steps to varnish wood furniture. Wood furniture may be well protected from harm and maintained in pristine condition by applying varnish. And although it might sound difficult, doing it is actually fairly easy. You can simply varnish your own furniture and keep it looking fantastic for years to come with a little time and work. We'll demonstrate how to lacquer wood.
Varnish, varnish, varnish.